Today I'm going to make a French coin. I love these coins, they're pretty sexy, aren't they? If I don't drop it. It's 20 centimes. So first of all, same old, nothing new there. We have to punch a hole in it. Hope everybody's doing well. Mr. Wonderful is doing absolutely fantastic. Thank you for asking. Right, how's Big Bertha doing today? Yeah, she's looking pretty good. Hello there, darling. Hey. She has feelings for me, you know, Big Bertha. And she's very faithful as well. Doesn't muck about. Right. If you're not subscribed, why not? Yeah, I mean, if you're not subscribed, why not press that little button? There's no obligation. You just hit that little button, bottom right hand corner of the video, and you'll be subscribed. I could do with a love. Right, let's break out Christy Burr. I just want to clean up the edge where you can see it's a bit sad. A friend of mine got me into these coins. Works on the market. He was metal detecting in France and came across one of these and gave it to me. There's a video up there somewhere, one of the early videos, and I turned it into a ring for him. And then I found some of these on the interweb, so I bought a few of them. They're really nice. Nice baby. That's pretty good. So, what we want to do now is warm it up. Where is he? There he is. Beautiful. My kiln is on next to me. It's bloody warm in here. It's about 635 degrees. It's cooling down at the moment. But it's well insulated, but it's just, you know, it's still hot. Right. So, we'll go for this sunny side up on the ring. So this goes face down. You know, little old die. We'll go over to Big Red. Hold this puppy. Right. Oh yeah, butter. It's funny, some coins are so tough and others are so easy. Right, where are we? Where is she? There she is. Just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's clean. Just like that. Right, we have a bit of kitchen oil. Have a small bit of kitchen oil today. And we'll go over to the one and only. There he is. There you go, Claire, your favourite tool and mine. I don't know when this is going on my YouTube channel. I wonder if you've got your ring yet. There's still a bit of a bow in it. Let's check that side as well. Looking pretty good, looking good. Bit more kitchen roll. It's very, very soft, this coin. I shouldn't have to heat it up anymore at all. There you go. The boat is now out of it. And come down to the bottom end of the spike, and these are reduction dice. You just want to find one. There's one there. Where's Luby Lou? Luby Lou, where are you? There she is. A little bit of a lube in there. You can't beat a bit of a lube. Oh. Do I lube the wrong one up? These dies aren't that good, you know. They come with the... That's why I bought the other one. It's like anything, you get what you pay for, you know. Right. Unless you're buying a Citron, like I did. Absolute waste of money. Absolute piece of, oh, you know what I mean. You get my drift. No, don't go too far. There you go. Nice straight walls. Right. There's a little bit of a lip inside. You see that little lip there? You want to get that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear, and it gives you a full sizing. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. It's in the description below. Hit that, it'll take you straight there. All the rings in the shop can be made bigger or smaller. And you can even send me your own coins and I'll turn them into a ring for you. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. There she is. Not looking, well, yeah, looking a bit ropey. Come on, Kate, sort yourself out. And there you have it. I definitely need some polish on it. Is that warped? I think it is a little bit. Let's take it over to so I'll give it a little tweak. It's so soft, so yeah, there you go. That's better. So we'll get some polish on it. Put in Felton John. I'll give it a bit of the old one too with the polish. These do come up nice. My friend loved his one. Ouch. Ouchie, ouchie. I started cleaning up in here today. A bloody kitchen roll everywhere. I'm a secret kitchen roll order. Right, slightly cleaner cloth. Oh yeah. There you go. My girlfriend does finish these off. And cleaning, polishing them up more. But very nice, very sexy. What's right, and you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but it's the same thing. It's the thickest part of the coin. This is a size 8 3/4. I can make it bigger. I can even make it a little bit smaller. Fits this finger perfectly. Thank you all for your help and feedback and liking the video. I mean, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. May your God go with you, and I'll see you tomorrow, God willing. So bye bye.